My target is I want to develop some application for the mobile phone. Okay, I'm learner. First of all, I'm learner. I want to get a good job as a mobile developer. So how my thinking will be? My thinking will be? I should go for iOS developer or I should go for Android developer.
Android.
Sir, I'm just asking common question. Don't confuse. I'm just asking common question. Ajay, what do you think? For example, in 2022, now we are in 2022, you are trying to learning some mobile application development. Which you will learn? You will learn iOS or you will learn Android?
According to me, I will learn both, sir, because both users can operate my application.
Yes, correct. Any other answers for this? See, I will solve all the questions for you, and everybody, please answer for that. After that, I'll move forward. Ajay Kumar.
Yeah, it's both, sir.
Both. Why both?
Because using ReactNative, you can develop both.
Oh, that is different. But yeah, we have to go for both. Because I don't know. My company requiring for iOS or my company requiring for Android. I don't know, right? See, customers are comes or clients will come, and they are going to be investing some product. Amount on your project. They are going to be investing 50 lakhs for your project. Then you are getting a job from the company. A company recruiting a people means how? What is this? See, for example, XYZ company recruiting people. A lot of job openings are there for iOS developers or Android developers. Why they are recruiting? Why they are creating jobs for developers? Why? Because of they are getting money, sir. They are getting money. They need to invest that money to the smartphone application development. Some XYZ came from Mumbai and he has to invest 2.5 lakh for one application to launch their product for something like AI host application. What they want to do? Yeah, I just want to go with one mobile application for my company. I need to improve my brand. I need to sell my tickets in the next coming year, 2023, more and more. Then what they people are doing? They are trying to creating a mobile app immediately because of mobile users are there. Lot number of mobile users are there in the world. Okay, may they can download my application. They will book a ticket from the mobile phone, right? Companies are always targeting internet. Companies are already targeting internet at the same time users. Got my point, sir? If they are investing money means they are paying money to the company. If company paying money to you means you have to work on that particular project. Now we are learning. So now Rani will ask. Rani will come to the picture. Rani, what do you think? You are going for iOS or you are going for Android?
Yeah, I'm going for iOS.
Okay. What about Android? See, I'm Android user.
Okay.
So yeah, you are using
we'll
iPhone.
go for both.
No. You are the user
sir.
of iPhone. That is different. But you are now in the company. You are developing some project. You are developing project only for the salary, right?
Yes, sir.
But your manager asking you to develop application for Android users also.
Okay.
So maybe your project will be different. Your project is supporting for Android and iPhone both. Usage is your personal use. Personally
Yes,
you are liking iPhone. You are using iPhone. That is your case. But in the company will pay you. Company will pay you as a native developer, or company will pay you as a hybrid developer. See, when you join as a hybrid developer, company will pay you for the hybrid developer, right? See, what is your roles and responsibility for the project? Your project roles and responsibility. For example, you are joining for the company as a hybrid developer, as a hybrid mobile app developer. Okay, so you got selected in a company called ACS. You got selected in a company called ACS as a mobile apps developer, hybrid mobile apps developer. Okay, so now what is your role in the company on the project? Okay, so now I'm telling the name of Ronnie. Ronnie joined in TCS. Ronnie joined in TCS Ronnie joined in TCS. Tell me, Rani. For you, I'm asking a question. Rani joined in TCS, hybrid mobile apps developer, yesterday. Yesterday. Now, what is the Rani work? First of all, Rani get a project. Rani allocated with project. Rani allocated with project. What kind of project Rani may get? What Rani has to do in the project? What is the Rani's project work? She has to be developed. She has to develop an application. She has to develop an application which will support for both. She has to develop an application which will support for both platforms or not. Both platforms or not. Okay, I'm simply telling you something. Rani joined. Rani, you're getting my point now?
Yes, sir, I'm getting your point, sir. I think it will work for both.
Yes, that is the right point. So you are doing a project, basically. You are working on the project. When you are working on the project, that code, whatever the code you're writing, whatever the source code you're writing, that source code should be, the source code is going to be available for the both platforms. That could be available for the both platforms. That is an iOS and Android both. So for example, you're writing a button, you're creating a button. That button need to be available in Android operating system. That button need to be available in the Android iOS operating system and iOS also. So you have to test, right, before launch the product. As a developer, your responsibility is test your application before. Test before application. Before application. As a responsibility, testing development requirement, as your responsibility of developer need to be test your application. Test before application launch. Yes or no? Source code writing. You're writing some source code running. You're writing some source code means you need to check whether it is working or not, functionality properly working or not, data coming from server or not, and it properly connected to the services or not. Now, so we are now learning. We are learning two kind of development. We are now learning two kind of developments. One is the web development. One is the mobile development. See, I'm just irritating today. Yeah, so I'm already tired. Let me have the tomorrow session. Tomorrow session onwards, we are working practically, not theoretically. I'm not going to be dragging the more on theoretically. Theoretically, how many days you want, I will tell. But we need to understand practically everything on web and mobile. So we will work on web applications from tomorrow onwards. And after the web application, I will go with the mobile application development also. Both I will teach with you. End of the course, you have to develop some application with web, and you have to develop some. What kind of application now we are going to be developing? We are developing a native application or hybrid application. Now you tell me the answer. We are developing a native application or
we'll go for both now.
Yes, we have to go for both. Why? Because that is agenda. That is agenda. Why? Because of nowadays, actually, people are looking for hybrid applications developers. In hybrid development, there are a lot of IDEs as available. One IDE is ReactNative, which is already famous, very famous, ReactNative, and one library called Flutter, Flutter or Flutter, whatever it may be. Flutter. Some guy called Flutter. Some guy called
Flutter. It's Flutter.
And Xamarin. Yeah. Xamarin, Microsoft Word. Xamarin actually Microsoft Word. Microsoft product. And I worked on Titanium in my projects in olden days. See, I'm remembering all my mobile clients, mobile software. So one is Titanium. Titanium Accelerator. Still, I'm getting calls on this. Only 4 calls or 5 calls. But from React Native, I'm getting a lot of calls. From iOS, I'm getting a lot of calls now, as experience with 10 plus years. My Naukri is still available on the Naukri. My resume already Naukri available. And today I checked with my resume in Naukri. I got a lot of iOS leads, 11 plus years of experience and 12 plus years of experience. The good package is 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs. And React Native, Flutter, and Xamarin, Titanium, Accelerator. And one more is PhoneGap. How many people know about PhoneGap? And how many people know about Cordova? That's a concept called Cordova, Apache. Okay, so and Android SDK always available. Android with Kotlin. Yeah. But Android Kotlin iOS 11 is native development. Don't. This is completely native development. You have to write the code once and you have to deploy the code once. But coming to the hybrid development, what is the agenda of the hybrid development is? What is the agenda of hybrid development? So we are in hybrid. Where is the hybrid? Yeah, hybrid. Yeah. Develop once. Develop once. Deploy to many platforms. Exactly. Yeah, develop once, deploy to many platforms. That is the major agenda. So you're writing code single code base, which is transforming for iOS and Android both. Yeah, this is so magic. This is the magic now. Single code base, whatever you're going to be writing, that will be transferred or transmitting to the iOS and Android same time. That is the magic. So now you people have to develop an application with a single code. That code should be work on iOS and that code should be working the Android both. So that is our agenda. I'm not going for native development again and again. So I already having some experience in native. I'm telling that. But now your target is what? Your target is what? React Native. This is basically from Facebook developed React Native framework. And if you want to learn React Native, first of all, you should know what? HTML, CSS, JS, and I'm getting some voice. Who is talking? Now, finally, you need to go for the React Native. Okay. So if you want to learn React Native, web technical skills are required, sir. Web technical skills already we are learning in the part of the web development, right? So that is the reason we already started with the web development first. We are already learning techniques or concepts in web development. See, all these concepts are technical parallelly for the web and mobile, right? These concepts available for the web. And now for the React Native, one more technology got added. What is the technology got added for the mobile? What is the technology got added for the mobile? React.js plus React Native. We are adding one more framework for the mobile development, and this is for the web, right? This is the web development agenda. Web development agenda is enough. This kind of technical skills are enough. But what is the agenda of the mobile development? What is the agenda of mobile development? Tell me, sir. Rani, are you sleeping? Web development agenda is what? Web development agenda is what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. We are learning all those things.
Yes,
and the part of the UI, you are learning all these things. And backend, I will tell later. And coming to the UI, first of all, we are learning the UI of web development. The same user interface, which was additionally with the React Native framework. We are learning for the mobile. What we are learning more? We are learning only one simple topic, right? One more additional library you are learning for the mobile development. Already this one coming from the web, transferring this. So learning time very less or not? 2 times you need to learn. Na? Already you are learning web application development. The same web application development techniques you can use for the mobile development also, right? So that is the reason I'm telling to you people, guys. 2.5 months, 2.5 months. This course will be ended. And end of the day, you become very strong in the web and mobile. and attend your interviews. You can crack your interviews on web and mobile, and you get a very good package. Very good package you will get. But every day you have to do practice. From day one itself, you have to do practice. A lot of practice required. So you always contact with me and do practice every day. Practically, we are starting the sessions from the tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards, 8:30 to 9 o'clock. I'm going to be taking the classes. 8:30 to 9. I'm taking the classes 1.5 hour session, and I will prepare the GoToMeeting link by the night today. Tomorrow onwards, we are having the classes for 1.5 hour, completely practically, not theoretically. Theory some 30%, 20% theory, but theory also I will explain. The practicals are very important. You have to keep your fingers work on. Without your fingers work on your laptop, you can't able to execute the codes. Tomorrow onwards, you have to be wake up, and every day 4 hours or 5 hours you need to sit with your system and do practice more and more. And every week I will give you the assignments. We will meet sometime, weekend time. I just want to check with you people how you are doing. Some place I will tell you can come down. Okay. Some place I will tell you can come down, everybody. We will sit somewhere and we will see how you people are learning. Any questions so far? And today so much time getting late.